Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Huntstand app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Huntstand is a hunting and land management app designed to help outdoor enthusiasts plan, track, and optimize their hunting activities. It provides detailed satellite maps, property boundaries, weather forecasts, and game tracking tools, all in one platform. Users can also mark tree stands, food plots, and trail cameras, making it easier to organize and share information with hunting groups. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The map system is detailed and allows users to switch between various layers like property ownership, terrain, and vegetation. The app's weather integration is especially praised for its accuracy, including wind direction and solunar activity. Game tracking and journal features help hunters log activity over time, and the ability to create and share maps with others is useful for team coordination. However, some issues are worth noting. Users have reported slow loading times when switching map layers or accessing offline maps. The interface can feel cluttered to first-time users, and some tools require a paid subscription. A few users also mention minor bugs while syncing data across devices. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Huntstand is a feature-rich app for hunters and land managers who need detailed mapping, weather data, and organizational tools. While it may take some time to learn and has a few performance quirks, it remains a valuable companion in the field. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.